we'll go to the third lesson. The lesson's name is Swami Vivekanand. I believe everyone know who Swami Vivekanand, or when the name Swami Vivekanand comes to your mind, what do you get in the mind first? The person who went from India to Chicago for what? The world all religions meet. For that meet he went there and he stood there and spoke, and his speech was so powerful that it made all the listeners to sit quietly and listen what he is saying. And he became very famous. Not only he, even India became very famous. So about that person, Swami Vivekanand, not only that, he was a very big social reformer in India. So to that person, about his childhood and how he became famous, about that we are going to learn in this chapter. Who is the writer? Dr. Jagdish Chandra. Dr. Jagdish Chandra, he was what to say, for your age people, balak or balikaun, kishore balak or balikaun, that is teenage children. He wanted to give them explanation of सच महापुरुषों के लिए, अनेक महापुरुषों की जीवनी को प्रस्तुत की है. He wanted to give them as an example to you and all. So that way he is written this chapter. That is why he wrote this chapter. He wanted to keep how well, with all the difficulties, with all the things, how they became famous and how did they make India also famous. That is what he wanted to tell. So let's start. It gives us the स्वामी विवेकानंद. भारत देश में जन्म अनेक महान व्यक्तियों ने भारत की कीर्ति विदेशों में फैलाई है. उसका आशय है, ऐसे व्यक्तियों में से एक है स्वामी विवेकानंद. करेक्ट. देयर आर मेनी पीपल हु हैव टेकन बर्थ इन इंडिया एंड मेड आवर कंट्री very popular. Who among them? Mahatma Gandhi, Nehru, many people are there like that. इस पाठ में उनकी महानता के परिचय के साथ देश प्रेम की प्रेरणा भी प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. Not only we are giving to his introduction, but how he made people love their country. That's what in this it is saying. So let's start. भारत के इतिहास में स्वामी विवेकानंद का नाम अमर है. अमर, which is not dying at all. It is there forever. Forever it is a very good name, so it is there. इस वीर सन्यासी ने देश विदेश में भ्रमण कर भारतीय धर्म और दर्शन का प्रसार किया तथा समाज सेवा का नया मार्ग दिखाया. So his name is so famous. How he became famous? His वीर सन्यासी brahmachari. He is not married. He doesn't have a family life like wife, children and all. उसने देश विदेश में भ्रमण कर, all around the world he had a tour, and भारतीय धर्म और दर्शन का प्रसार किया. What is Indian religion and what is Hinduism and what it is meaning to us? That is what he gave. He gave a propaganda to everyone. तथा समाज सेवा का नया मार्ग दिखाया. उसने समाज की सेवा, how do you serve a society? समाज सेवा is what? Serving a society. उसके लिए नया मार्ग, how you can serve a society, he showed everyone. स्वामी विवेकानंद का जन्म 12 जनवरी 1863 को कलकत्ते के एक कायस्ता घराने में हुआ था. He was born in Calcutta on January 12th, 1863 and into a well-to-do family. उनके बचपन का नाम नरेंद्र दत्त था. It's not देव actually. उसका बचपन का नाम नरेंद्र दत्ता. उनके पिता श्री विश्वनाथ दत्त एक प्रतिष्ठित वकील थे. Who was Vishwanath Dutt? Was his father. Narendra Dutt father, and he was by profession he was a lawyer. उनकी माता श्रीमती भुवनेश्वरी देवी धर्मपारायण महिला थी. So what is his mother's name? Bhuvaneshwari Devi, and she was a very religious person. बालक नरेंद्र का शरीर स्वस्थ, सुडौल और सुंदरता. How he was really healthy student. Sudol, the healthy is not he's bulky or something. He was very healthy, strong and very handsome. कुश्ती लड़ने, दौड़ लगाने, घुड़सवारी करने और तैरने में उन्हें बड़ा आनंद मिलता था. कुश्ती लड़ने, you've seen Dangal. That kusti only. He used to do all wrestling. Daud lagane, to run. Good savari, good is horse. Horse per riding the horse. और तैरने is swimming. उन्हें बड़ा आनंद मिलता था. He used to love doing all this. He used to be very happy doing this. वे संगीत एवं खेलकूद की प्रतियोगिता में भी भाग लिया करते थे. Even in singing and even in sports, both he used to take part. नरेंद्र आरंभ से ही पढ़ाई लिखाई में बड़े तेज थे. So from the starting how he was very fast or he was very good in his studies. वे अपने स्कूल में सर्वप्रथम रहा करते थे. He used to be number one. He used to hold first rank every time. एंट्रेंस परीक्षा में भी वे प्रथम श्रेणी से उत्तीर्ण हुए थे. इवन इन एंट्रेंस एग्जाम विच एवर ही गेव, ही वॉज द फर्स्ट. प्रथम श्रेणी, फर्स्ट क्लास. विद दैट मार्क ही केम अप. बीए की परीक्षा पास करने के बाद उन्होंने कानून का अध्ययन प्रारंभ किया. इसी बीच में उनके पिता का देहांत हो गया. आफ्टर डूइंग बीए he wanted to be his Bachelor of Arts. He wanted to study for law. कानून का अध्ययन for studying for law. But what happened in this time when his father expired? अध्ययन काल में उनकी रुचि व्याख्यान देने और विचार के आदान प्रदान करने में थे. व्याख्यान देने, to give speech. Not only speech, even to debate. विचार के आदान प्रदान करना, giving you one topic and talking about that topic. इसी कारण उन्होंने अपने कॉलेज में एक व्याख्यान समिति बनाई थी. फॉर द सेम रीज़न ही मेड अ समिति, ऑल्सो अ क्लब. यू विल हैव क्लब्स, राइट? सो सच अ क्लब ही मेड इन अ स्कूल, इन अ कॉलेज. कई प्रतियोगिताओं का आयोजन भी किया था. नॉट ओनली ही मेड अ क्लब, ही ऑल्सो what did he do? He bought many programs. He did many programs. प्रतियोगिताओं, many programs or many debates like this he had organized. पाश्चात्य विज्ञान तथा दर्शन का भी उन्हें अध्ययन किया था. Not only this, he was also well versed in पाश्चात्य विज्ञान from outside world. Whatever was there, पाश्चात्य is from outside our country. That's Western culture. और दर्शन का भी उन्होंने अध्ययन किया था. किशोर अवस्था से ही नरेंद्र दार्शनिक एवं धार्मिक विचारों से तल्लीन रहते थे. He was very much attached to all this religious things. Whatever religious things was there, everything he used to like. So all these things he used to be very much attached. एक दिन नरेंद्र रामकृष्ण परमहंस के पास पहुँचे और अपनी जिज्ञासा उन्हें कर सुनाई. So one day he went to Ramakrishna Paramahams. Who was Ramakrishna Paramahams? He was a great person who had established the Sharat Math and all. So that was Ramakrishna Paramahams. नरेंद्र को अपना शिष्य स्वीकार किया. रामकृष्ण परमहंस ने क्या किया? नरेंद्र को, जब नरेंद्र ने अपनी जिज्ञासा बोला, व्हाट ही वांट्स, हाउ ही वांट्स टू सर्व, व्हेन ही टोल्ड, परमहंस जी ने क्या किया? उसे अपने पास ले लिया और उसका शिष्य बना लिया. ओके.